Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to Education Hub PH 2022. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you like this video. Our topic for today is about regular and irregular verbs. So, what are their differences? First, regular verbs are called such because they are predictable. It's easy to identify regular verbs than irregular verbs because the clue would be here by just adding ed to the infinitive form of the verb. So how will you identify infinitive form of the verb? Using the preposition to plus the simple or the base form of the verb. That is irregular verb by just adding ed from its participle form. Okay, example, for the first column, we have the infinitive form to plus the base form of the verb, like to want, to close, and to believe. For you to change it to the simple past, you're just going to add ed at the end of the base form of the verb, like want, wanted, want, wanted. Past participle, wanted din, and then present participle by just adding ing at the end, wanting. Okay, for close, we have closed, simple past. Past participle is closed, and present participle, closing. For believe, believed, simple past. Believed, simple uh, past participle. And for present participle, believing. How about for irregular verbs? Irregular verbs do not use ed or not predictable. So the clue would be it changed its spelling or changed to another different word. Okay, if you are unsure what to correct form is, dictionaries will provide these forms under the entry for the infinitive of verb. Okay, example. So you're going to use for to go, to bring, to do, to begin. Go. Its simple past is went. Past participle, gone. Present participle, going. Again, go, went, gone, going. For bring, we have brought. Simple past, brought the same for past participle, then bringing for present participle. For to do, simple past, did. Past participle, done. Present participle, doing. To begin, began, begun, beginning. So it's changed its spelling. Let's try this exercise. Conjugate the verb in the parentheses and circle whether it's regular or irregular. So you're going to change or identify first its regular or irregular verb, then identify whether it is regular or irregular verb. Try this number one. He looked inside the box and blank that it was empty. So we're going to use the infinitive to see. Try this. Of course, the correct answer is what would be the past form of the word see? It's saw. Correct. So how about whether it is regular or irregular? The answer is irregular because it changed its spelling. Next, I went to work and blank filing papers. We're going to use to start. To start. 5 seconds. What is your answer? The correct answer is started. It started. Just adding ed. It is what? Regular verb. Correct. For number 3, she had. She had. So we're going to use the past participle. She had blank a trip to California during vacation to take 5 seconds. The correct answer is taken because of the auxiliary verb had plus the past participle of the verb. What is the past participle of the verb take? It is taken. What is the past tense of take? Took. Correct. It is regular or irregular verb? Irregular verb. Next. How about number 4? You had blank me a letter, but I never received it. We're going to use the infinitive to write. 5 seconds. What is the correct answer? What is the past participle of the word write? The correct answer is written because of the auxiliary verb had plus the past participle of the verb. The past participle of the verb write is written. Regular or irregular verb? Irregular verb, correct. How about in number 5? They realized how far it was after they had already blank most of the way. They realized how far it was after they had already blank most of the way. We're going to use for the infinitive to walk. To walk. What have you noticed? We have the auxiliary verb, the same had. So we're going to use the past participle of the verb. 5 seconds. The correct answer is walked because the past participle of the word walk is walk by just adding ed. What is it? Regular or irregular verb? It is regular verb. Last one, number 6. We blanked the entire cake before the party was over. We blanked the entire cake before the party was over. We're going to use for the infinitive to eat. 5 seconds. The correct answer is ate. Correct. What is it? Regular or irregular verb? Huh? It is irregular verb because it's changed its spelling. So that would be all for now. Thank you for staying in our YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you like this video. That will be all. Thank you, and to God be all the glory. God bless everyone.